बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। betxbox में खुश आमदीद। नए आने वाले दोस्तों से गुजारिश है जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल betxbox को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर नहीं किया, वो लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर दें ताकि आने वाली तमाम मालूमाती वीडियो बर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सके। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है अनबॉक्सिंग एंड टेस्टिंग द लेटेस्ट गेमिंग कीबोर्ड 2023। The Apex Pro gaming keyboard from Steel series started a real revolution by using mechanical switches with an adjustable trigger point. The innovations had us already pulling out the gold award in the test about 3 years ago. The new edition released on even faster adjustable switches and come in a compact 10 keysless design. Is that still enough for a top place today? Steel Series Apex Pro TKL 2023 review. The scope of deliver. The Steel Series Apex Pro TKL 2023 arrives at our door in the many features typical grey-orange box. When it comes to the scope of deliver, there is a small positive surprise. In addition to the keyboard, the data cable and fabric convert USB-A to USB-C cable, and the manual a magnetic flame rest in hidden underneath the keyboard, which was still surprised by its absence in the recently reworked Steel Series Apex 9 TKL Mini. High quality sleek black design, media buttons, volume wheels and OLED display. With a price the 1000 mark, the Steel Series Apex Pro TKL 2023 definitely steals in the premium segment, even for a gaming keyboard. However, the keyboard definitely lives up to the higher price tag, which is already evident in the higher quality design and excellent build quality. Basically, the design looks quite plain and unbrushed. The keyboard is black. The lettering of the keys is grey. Everything is as we know and we use to from the many feature Steel Series. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो betxbox को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अब मुलाकात होगी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।